How to fix personal hotspot not working on iPhone after iOS update. So if you want to fix your personal hotspot not working on your iPhone after iOS update, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then just simply go with software updates. If any software updates are available, you need to just simply go and update them. Or you can just simply tap on general and then go with software update and update your software. After updating, your problem might be fixed, but if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to just simply scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of screen time. Tap on it. Then scroll down again and then go with content and privacy restrictions and turn this off. After turning this off, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and then open up your general. Under general, you need to scroll down again and then go with VPN and device management. And if you've turned on any VPN services, you need to go and turn them off. After turning it off, you need to go with transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset, which will be in the bottom, and tap on reset all settings and reset all of your settings. After resetting your settings, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then you need to go and restart your device, and after restarting, your personal hotspot will be working. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.